Okay?
I'm good.
Did I kill you? Oh my gosh.
Seen this cornice and stopped.
Come here. I thought I just killed you.
I'm okay with it. He deserves it. He went snowmobiling without saying a word to us.
Yeah.
I didn't want an invite, but
That's a sin.
I had to hear like 2 days before that, how come Bill and Jake went riding and they didn't tell us where they were going? Then 2 days later, Jack's over here goes snowmobiling, and he still wouldn't have said anything had I not passed him on the highway and called him.
Turbo lines.
I'm just trying to
Back
decide
up
if
in
I'm
Island
gonna-
Park.
My whole thing is if I'm just going to put my K-mod under.
Got 6 of us. Usual crew.
Might as well because
We got tree branches everywhere. Snow's deep. We're up a creek that's pretty nasty. It's gonna be a good day. Probably gonna be coming out on empty. Okay?
I'm good.
Did I kill you? Oh my gosh.
Seen this cornice and
Come
stopped.
here. I thought I just killed you. I literally thought I killed you.
No, I seen this cornice and
Holy
shut her
shit.
down.
You're okay.
You ran over my leg, but I
Oh
don't feel
my
nothing.
gosh.
I just seen this and was like, oh,
I didn't hit your snowmobile?
I don't know. I went that way.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were dead.
Did you see this, Austin?
Yeah, I jumped off of it. I
Oh my god.
I did
kind of knew it was here because right there's where I hit the rock.
Oh.
This is where that doe dick on the skidoo was.
I absolutely bailed because I thought my sled was going right in the back of his and it was totaled. And I thought you were gonna get seriously hurt. I was so nervous for you.
I got my legs hit
I'm
by
so
something.
sorry.
No, I shouldn't have stopped, but I just seen this and it's like my goggles are fogged up. I couldn't see.
Holy cow.
I just seen fucking.
Hey, you got your camera?
Are snowmobiles fine or?
I don't know.
He said it didn't even hit him.
I hit something hit my leg.
No,
right
you got
here.
hit pretty hard. Braden
Right
failed and your snowmobile.
I'm sure the front of mine's got some damage, but I kind of want to, I guess I can screenshot that. Holy crap. Let's flip this thing over and see what we got.
Did you see it, Austin?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. This
Yeah,
way?
I just seen
This way.
Braden's coming and I'm like, oh fuck.
I seen this cornice and was like, I better stop or slow down. I wasn't stopped, but
1, 2.
I wasn't going as fast as Brady.
Uh-oh, look at that.
Seen the cornice. Braden's
Yeah.
there, climbing.
1, 2.
Oh, Casey was down
1,
downhill.
2.
Braden's on top of it.
Oh yeah. That'll pop back in. I don't even see my bumper bent. I don't know. I mean,
You okay? Yeah, I think so.
Where did it slam hit you against the...
I just seen it coming and went that way.
He tried to pin it. Braden bailed.
yeah, I was wheeling up the whole thing and I started catching Casey, but I wasn't that worried about it. And then he saw this, slams on his brakes, and I thought I was gonna just jump on him.
I don't know how those snowmobiles are not.
I thought for sure I just totaled 2 of them.
Literally.
Hey, were those underwear brown before today, or did that just happen? Did that just happen?
Are you gonna lead us to that?
I honestly have no idea how that just worked. I was just having me a great time climbing this hill, and all of a sudden he stopped.
205? 205 centimeters.
Hey,
Right there.
throw that to me.
Yeah, copy that through your head.
Oh, you got to pull her.
Yeah,
Pull the very back.
that's what I was doing, but it clipped in on me. There we go. Here we go. I'm gonna come down.
Got out of the way just enough time.
Somehow this thing. Maybe the ski went through me, you know?
Yeah, I could have.
I can't find the bottom, and I got clear up to my shoulder.
Solid 10 feet.
Right here, absolutely.
Bring it up here and I'll look at
Well, it's wind carried.
Yeah, it's got a big old wind
That's
drift.
a wind
but-
loaded ridge.
You okay? I think so.
I can tell you one thing.
I'm glad you're alive, Casey.
My
pretty sure all my GoPro footage is gonna be worthless.
Oh yeah.
It's all iced up.
Couldn't climb out of there.
Let me get a better angle.
I'm gonna drop it first and then decide.
Helicopter crane.
Yeah, let's long line it with the helicopter.
What about straight up and back? Flip it
That's
over?
what Jake was just saying.
That's what I do.
There's a big old hole underneath it too. So.
We could pack
So don't jump down like I was gonna just do.
Yeah, do it.
we could pack it a few times and just keep turning out right there and then pin and wiggle.
I'm gonna do a backflip for Greg.
Yeah, right. I bet the snows. And then the best part of this is I screwed myself, so once we get Jake out, mine's gonna be stuck.
Oh no. You're gonna jump down in that creek and just keep going.
Hey guys,
What?
You left
radiator
it.
cap's not on.
You left her off?
Is it there?
Oh yeah,
Oh, okay.
Do you need to move your muff pot?
probably. All right, we'll attend to this later.
Hey, do you have anything to say to Wayne's youngest son?
Chemo's going good.
Oh jeez.
How far did you sink, Case?
Past his head.
He was gone.
He was gone.
No, now I'm gone.
Yeah, there's a hole.
Just start swimming. Pull your Avy bag. Hey, look at me, Santa Claus.
That was a hole.
We got a little bit of snow today.
It's Groundhog Day. How many more weeks of winter are we gonna have? Poke your head out. Where is he?
Whoever was thinking they weren't riding today, glad they made the right choice.
Casey literally just walked under the snowmobile. Jake, I think you get stuck of the year right here.
I think so. I like it. We're dumb of the year.
This is awesome. Throw her in reverse, Terry. Hey, let's pull on it, reverse him back to here. Go again.
Why don't you just keep wheeling on over? It's all wheeling.
Oh yeah.
1, 2.
I think if we get him like 4 or 5 more feet back, he hits it again, he's out. I don't know if you even went forward at all. You just elevated right down.
I knew what was gonna happen.
Oh my god, no, stop! Stop, there's rocks!
How long is your average matron?
If you're tunneling, then it is now.
Exactly how deep the snow is.
He said, screw you, Jake. I want stuck of the year, and here it is.
Hi, Mark.
That is something.
I thought I had it, but
Until you didn't.
Go for a swim down there.
Tunnel out, go down, and then come out over there.
Hey, do you think we could spend the night in there?
Well, we could, and we wouldn't be thirsty.
A little snow cave?
Okay, I'll just watch my tea bag, and you guys keep pulling.
Oh my god.
I don't really like you digging under that bank with Jake standing above you.
What? I don't dare move.
Oh, nice. Right where we wanted it.
Oh man, I split a lug.
Oh no. That track was perfect before this. Let's flip it around. And you got it this 3rd time. I think you can do it.
Yeah, let's just go in more.
I'd like to try.
Yeah.